Hi everyone and welcome to Cloud Ninja. Today I'm going to tell you my whole path how I became a senior cloud engineer and give you some tips that helped me and maybe will help you. I am a senior cloud engineer who have been working with AWS for 7 years. I have several certifications in AWS and I've been working in IT&T field for 16 years. And today I'm going to tell you how it all started. When I finished high school, I had no idea where to go to study, so I decided to ask for an advice from my father, and he said,
"You should become a lawyer."
at that time, there were two most popular professions, economists and lawyers. I didn't want to become any of them. I was more interested in technical professions. I didn't want to become a programmer. I tried it a bit, but I didn't like it. Stupid me. So I have decided to ask my father for another advice. My father has been working for a local telephone company for 30 years, and he said,
People will always talk to each other over the phone. Telecommunications will always be. But you should become a lawyer.
Telecommunications? That's interesting. Let's do that for 5 years. Then after graduating, I started to work as a telecom engineer in optical networking field and did it for 5 more years. But I was young and I didn't think at all about such silly things like planning for the future and career paths. But eventually I started to think about it. And you know what? I understood that I chose a very narrow profession. I lived in a very small country then, and there were literally only 3 employers I could work for, and I have already worked for 2 of them. And it's not a secret, if you want to raise your salary, you have to change jobs. So at that time, I had only 2 choices. Either I moved to a bigger country, which I didn't want to, or I changed a profession. So my advice number 1 is think about your current profession. Is it competitive enough? Do you have a wide choice of employers to choose from? If not, change it, like I did. I got accepted to an internship program. I went to United States and I worked there as an intern at SAP in Palo Alto. And there I saw Linux. And my advice number 2 is learn Linux. In order to become a successful cloud engineer, you need Linux. You need CLI. I was totally a Windows guy. Even back at telecom work, everything, all the configuration was clickety-click. In Linux, you don't even need a mouse. So for me, it took half a year of internship to totally change how I think. When I came back, I started to work as a Linux guy. First, I worked as a second-level support. Then I started to work as a Linux system administrator. A couple of jobs later, I was still working as a Linux sysadmin, and there was a customer who had its whole infrastructure in the cloud. My mind was totally blown away. In my Linux world, it could take 2 months from an idea that we need a server until it was up and running. In the cloud, you could spin up a whole data center within 5 minutes with a push of a button. So I understood right away that the cloud is the future, and I want to be a part of it. So even if I still had 0 cloud experience, I started to work with that customer. So my advice number 3 is get your hands dirty, even if you don't know anything about the cloud. If you register with AWS now, they will give you 12 months of totally free tier, and you can do a lot with it. So don't be afraid, register today and start your cloud journey. So this is exactly what I did. I got certified as an architect. Then I became a technical account manager for that customer. Then I said goodbye to Linux, moved to a cloud consultancy department, and got even deeper into the cloud. Then another opportunity revealed itself. I changed jobs and got right into the middle of a very interesting and sophisticated migration project, where a company migrated their whole infrastructure from a data center to AWS. So another advice, find a good opportunity, don't be afraid, and take it. I learned a lot from that project. There were 8 people in the cloud team. There were very smart cloud architects working there. I learned from them a lot. My next advice is find a good teacher. Carl, if you're listening to this, thank you. After the project was over, I decided that I want to be a senior cloud engineer myself. And my next advice is to not be afraid to take responsibility. At the place where I work now, I am the most knowledgeable person about AWS at the whole company. As a senior cloud engineer, I design and I build infrastructure on AWS. It is a very interesting job. I highly recommend it. So this was my personal path from zero to AWS hero. I hope you liked it. I hope you can take something from it and apply it to yourself. If you have any questions or if you have a specific topic you want to hear about, please write it in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for listening and see you soon. Bye-bye.
What do you do? Cloud? Are you freaking meteorologist?